Today we're climbing Mount Gumi, or Geumosan or something like that. Last time we only made it halfway. Lumi's legs gave up.
No, your legs gave up.
I'll stick to my story.
And by climbing we mean catching the cable car.
No, we're hiking.
Oh, okay.
He's about to find out. Anyway, it's nice and cool today. Last time was like 40 degrees and 100% humidity. So hopefully this time we will make it to the top.
But it's cold now.
Always a winch. Good, eh?
That doesn't taste like beer at all.
Yeah, soju. Wanna try some with me? Got a rock? Gotta get it on top?
Uh-huh.
Right, go.
Oh, last time.
Last time you made it. You gonna make it this time?
No.
I had to lift you up last time.
Yeah. You have to lift me up again.
Shh.
Look at my rock.
Uncos.
Just put it up here somewhere. There you go.
Yay!
So we've begun to climb 600 steps and then another half an hour worth of hiking. Let's see if we make it.
Again.
It's getting warm. Whew. Oh, I think I'm done. It's only been 15 steps.
Not me.
Just hit 200 steps. 400 to go. 510. Oh, here we go. This is halfway up. Whew. We were here last time, eh, Libby?
Yeah. I can't find my rucksack. It's here. Okay, there's definitely something in there.
Yeah, there is. I think there's a mouse in there or something. You alright?
Yeah.
I'm trying to do
So we're halfway up. We gotta get all the way to the top there. That's Gumi, which is nice. I wonder what nighttime looks like here. Alright, halfway up. I'm kinda dying.
Oh, I see the temple.
Temple? Yep.
I
Alright.
see all the temple.
Alright, let's do this. Let me.
Especially with that bear behind it, it's going to eat her.
Oh, man bear pig. Oh, wow.
Oh, that's cool. Get rid of the bubblegum.
I think that's the summit up there. Oh. Still 1.5 k's to go. Chinooks! Isn't this what we talked about?
That's so cool.
Another goal ticked off. 1 kilometer to go, Lemmy. Come on. Huh?
My legs are dead.
Your legs are dead? Well, lucky you're young. Wow, wow, wow. 3 wows. Let me come here, have a look at this. Oh.
Impressive, eh?
I'm pretty happy we did this. What do you think of the view? Huh?
I'm good.
You don't really care, do you?
No, I just want to go to the top and relax.
Oh. Wow. Amazing. Oh my god. I don't know if you can hear this wind, but it's stunning. Yeah. Oh, how do you feel? Oh, I'm dead. I got really bad knees, so this was I'm pretty much dead. But I'm glad I did it. Wow. How do you feel? Huh? Not good? Come have a look at the view. Come here. So we've had a bit of orange, a bit of a rest.
It's Mandarin.
Oh, Mandarin. A bit to go. My knees feel a bit better now. I'm gonna try. Oh man, amazing view. Come on, we're nearly at the top. 240 meters to go. Come on, be brave for the vlog. We did it. Oh my god. Oh wow.
Right.
안녕하세요.
예, 수고합니다.
My knees are gone. I don't know how I'm gonna make it down. You're gonna have to carry me. Oh. Wow.
How cool is that?
This is some amazing stuff.
This is why we came up here.
Oh wow. To celebrate our journey up to the top, we got ourselves a bit of a gift. It's a Korean tradition to down a bottle of soju as you get to the top. And bakasadi, where are those bakasadis? The two bottles. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if there's so much a Korean tradition that maybe we just made up when we're in Korea.
I think someone tricked me when I was here last time. They were just saying.
Well,
Wow.
got Barocca.
Yeah.
Okay. So what are these?
These are bakasadis. These are Korean versions of Red Bull for hangovers. Oh, well, we did it, my friend.
Yep.
soju's never tasted so good.
I'm glad we did it though.
Yep.
Like I was a bit worried you were going to stop.
I was very close. I was very close to stopping.
But this is worth it.
That last 200 meters, that's like Mount Fuji.
Yeah.
That last 200 meters killed me, Mount Fuji. I think it's just because you know that's the last 200 meters and your knee's just going, screw you. You're not going any further.
We were so cold and so tired up there.
See, when I was young,
so glad we made it.
When I was young, I fell off my bike and I cut my knee open apparently. And ever since, if I climb mountains, I feel like literally someone is stabbing me in my knee. I've got a brace at home, so I'm going to brace up my knee when I get home. But that was probably the hardest thing I've done since Mount Fuji. I'm glad I did it. Are you glad you did it?
No.
Be enthusiastic. Are you glad you did it?
No.
Come on. Asa! Oh, we made it back down to the waterfall. Oh my god, my knees are really bad. Both of them have given up now. Oh, all right, 200 meters. How many more meters? Oh, it'll be like 200, 300 meters to the cable car. Oh my god, I can barely walk. Well, we made it down the mountain. We've just ordered some seafood pancakes and some other food.
Yep.
We're gonna eat and then go to a sauna spa to recover. You may or may not see this footage. You may or may not want to see this footage. Either way, subscribe, like, share. Hope you enjoyed our adventure. That was a really good mountain to climb, but I'm in a lot of pain and I need food. And this one's had an ice cream, so she's crazy now.